Hi everyone, welcome back. Action time. So grade 6 learners, today we are going to have 10 questions and this is our revision 7. So you can go to other revision lessons in your playlist you can find. Let's continue with our first question. Today's topic is fractions. So we have 10 questions about fractions. Good luck. You are going to have 20 seconds to try. If you need extra time, you can just stop video and carry on. Please get your exam pad and try. This is easy one. Less than 20 seconds. I'm sure you will get it. Adding fractions. So how we are going to add these numbers? 2/5 plus 1/5. Last 2 seconds. Yes, time is over. I am sure you have answers already. So for this kind of questions, what we are going to do, first of all, we just write add only these two numbers, 2 plus 1/5. By mistake, don't add 5 and 5. All right, so just keeping this 5 and adding numbers 2 and 1. And you are getting 3/5. This is our question 5. Easy one. We have done. Let's continue with next question. Question 2 is coming now. Yes, please try. As you see, we don't have equal numbers here. You must just work on first and then you can try. Okay, you have 20 seconds, everyone. Time's up. So let's continue now. All right, we can continue. We can answer this question now. What are we going to do? First of all, we must make them equal. 3 and 4 here. So how can we make them equal? Let's try. First of all, times by. Okay, let's continue. 2 times 4 over 3 times 4. I'm just multiplying by 3 each one, 2 and 3 times by 4. Why? Because I'm trying to make them 12 both sides. And this one, 1 and 4, I can write 1 times 3 and 4 times 3. If you do that, making 12 here and 12 there. So 2 times 4 is 8/12 plus 3/12. So now I can add these two. And 8 plus 3/12. As you know, we are not touching 12. We are not adding 12. So 12 plus 12, we are not doing that. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11/12. Done. So we have one more step here. Normally we just add these numbers 8 and 3, but we should make them equal. You cannot just add 2 and 1. You must make them equal these two sides first. All right, so question 2 we have done. Let's continue with next one. Let's see what else we have. Today we have 10 questions, everyone. Okay, guys, so now another question, subtraction now. You have 20 seconds. Let's start. Let's see what you are going to do. Please get your exam pad. If you don't have it, please get your exam pad and or any page, it's fine. Just write it down. Get your answer first, please. If you try, you will learn. All right, so now let's see what we have. This question, what we are going to do, how we are going to answer. Firstly, we must make them equal. So we have now 8 and 16. If you want, you can write 8 times 16, 5 times 16, but we are going to get big numbers if you do that. So easy way, this one, 5 and 8, these two, times by 2, times by 2 each. If I do that, I'm going to get 16, and they will be equal. So these two will be equal. 5 times 2 is 10 over 8 times 2 is 16 minus 3 over 16. From now, it is easy because 10 minus 3 we can write over 16, and 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 over 16. Done. If you want straight, you can write 7 over 16. You can skip this step, but it's fine. 7 over 16 is our answer. All right, let's continue, guys. Next question is coming now. Let's clear all, and then let's go to question 4. Question 4 is coming now. You're going to multiply them. Okay, let's see what you are going to do. Please try your time starting now. 3 over 5, 4 over 7. You are going to multiply them. Please try. Plus, yes, time is over. Okay, so what we are going to do now, first of all, you just multiply both of them, 3 and 4, 5 and 7. So we don't need to equal them now. We just multiply them all straight. All right, so now we are going to write like this, 3 times 4, or you can just use x is fine, 3 times 4, 5 times 7, and 12 over 35. If something is possible to simplify, you can simplify also, but for now, nothing to do. Yeah, 12 over 35. Our answer is 12 over 35. Question 4, done. Let's continue with next one. Okay, let's continue with question 5. Okay, division. So please try question 5. 20 seconds, start for question 5. 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. What's going to happen now? I hope you are trying. For maths, you should write, you should try if you want to learn. All right, let's continue. Now, what we are going to do? First of all, we have a rule for division, fractions division. We just write first one same. All right, first one, 2 over 3, don't touch it. Okay, and then times this one, second one, you just swap these two numbers. You have now 6 over 5. I hope it is clear. So for division, we are using this rule. First one, first fraction, we don't touch it. Second one, just swap like this. Now you have 6 over 5. From now, we know what we are going to do. We just multiply them each. 2 times 6, 3 times 5. But now we have numbers to simplify. What we can do, okay, let's continue first. Okay, it's fine. So 12 over 15. And we can simplify these numbers. Divide by, what we can use, 3, right? Divide by 3 each. And 12 over 3 is 4. And 15 over 3 is 5. 4 over 5 is our answer. If you want, you can simplify straight here. 6 over 3 is 2. And 2 times 2 making 4. That's another option. It's up to you. Which one is easy for you? You can use that way. Okay, that's our answer for question 5. Let's continue with next one. But double check, please. Just make sure everything is fine. For these questions, you just write 2 over 3 same, and then you just swap 5 over 6, writing 6 over 5. And multiply them. That's it. If it's possible to simplify, please simplify them. Let's continue with next question. Now let's see what we have. Okay, another addition question. We are adding these two numbers, common fractions now. So 20 seconds starts now. What we are gonna do? We have 3 and 2 over 7. 3 full object and 2 over 7. 2 out of 7, we can say. All right, time is over, so let's continue. For this kind of questions, what we are going to do? If you see these numbers here, first of all, you must just write these two numbers first, 3 and 1. You can separate from others. Just add them first, 3 plus 1, you can say. And fractions 2 over 7 plus 4 over 7. Okay, this is my step 1. Step 2, 3 plus 1, I know it is 4. And I'm going to add these two, 2 and 4. Let's write 2 plus 4 over 7. One more time, let's remind you, we are not adding 7 and 7. We are just writing 1. 7 here. And then, so what I have now, so plus, we don't need to say plus here, sorry. So just write in brackets. And 4, we have coming from 3 plus 1. And 2 plus 4 is 6 over 7. This is our answer. You add 3 and 1 and getting 4. And 2 and 4 adding and getting 6. But for 7, just write 7 once here and done. This is our answer for question 6. We have done question 6. Let's continue with next question. All right, now you have these numbers, and then as you see, 3 and 4, they are not equal. So you have one more step. 20 seconds starts now. If you need extra time, please stop and take your time. 5 seconds left. And yes, we can answer together now. So for this kind of questions, what we are going to do, 3 and 1, it is easy. We can add them. It is a simple one. And just like other questions, step 1, we are going to separate them. So we'll say 3 plus 1 and 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. But from now, we cannot add 2 and 1 straight. We should make them equal. 3 and 4, just we must make a plan to make them equal, times by 4. Maybe we can change color also here. Times 4 and times 4. This side times 3 and times 3. If I do that, I'm going to make them 12. So total number will be 12. So 2 times 4 is 8 over 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 times 3 is 3 and 3 times 4 is 12. But don't forget 3 and 1 here. So this number is 4. Just we can write, let's clear this side. And we are going to write 3 and 4 making, okay, still in brackets. So let's say 4 here equals, okay. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and we are making them equal. So 2 and 4 making 8, 3 and 4 just like that. After that, 4 and 8 plus 3 and 12. You know we are not adding these numbers 12 here. Final answer is 4, 11 over 12. Done. This is our answer for question 7. All right. So let's continue, guys, with next question. So question 8 is coming now. But one more time, reminding you, please take your page, pen, pencil, whatever you have, just get it and try. Okay, subtraction now. Question 8, subtraction. Okay, your 20 seconds starting now. I will try to keep quiet, and you can try. Two more seconds. Yes, time is over. For this kind of questions, maybe you need more time, but it's fine. You just stop video and carry on. Okay, question 8 now. For this question, what I'm going to do, 5 and 4, it's easy. You see that 5 minus 4 you can do, but for 1 over 2, 3 over 16, we must make a plan. So we must make them maybe 16, right? Each we can make 16. Okay, let's start. First of all, we can write 5 minus 4. This is my step 1. I'm just take them together, 5 and 4, and 1 over 2 minus 3 over 16. And what we can do now, times by 8. I think it's going to work because 2 times 8 will be 16. So we are making 16 and 16, they will be equal. And then we can make our plan and carry on. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And 1 times 8, here 1 times 8 will be 8 over 16 minus 3 over 16. And 1, I have, just carry on with that. 8 minus 3 over, okay, we need space. Maybe we can just go back quickly. Oops, where is it? Okay, so firstly, let's clear all because we need some space. First of all, what I'm going to do, 5 and 4 getting 1, and 8 over 16 minus 3 over 16 equals 1. 8 minus 3 over 16. I hope it's getting easy for you. So 1 and 5 over 16. Please try to get more questions and try more questions, please. All right, from your textbook maybe. You can get more questions and try. So this is our answer for question 8. Let's continue with next question. Okay, let's clear all. Question 9 is coming now. Let's see what we have. Okay, it's another question. What we are going to do now. Question 9, let's give your time. It's easier than others because we multiply them all. So yes, time's up. So let's continue. First of all, for this kind of questions, we can just separate them first. How we are going to separate, just like the other questions, 2 and 5 together. Let's say 2 times 5 and 3 times 4. So this 2. And what else we have? 5 times. We have 5 times 7. All right. So 2 times 5, we are getting 10. And 3 times 4, 12 over 35. If something is possible to simplify, you can check. But for now, just leave it. Okay, question 9 done. Let's continue with next question, guys. Maybe give me a few seconds to check. So 2 times 5 and 3 times 4, 5 times 7. Next question is coming now. For next question, it is our last question for today. For this video, maybe we can carry on with other videos. So, okay, question 10. Please try. Now, division. Your 20 seconds starts now. Please take your time and try. Time is up, so we can continue with next one. Oh, sorry, last question, not next one. Question 10 is coming now. We are going to answer question 10. I've lost that. So let's continue with question 10. So what we are going to do now, 6 over 2 first. 6 over 2. I'm just taking 6 from there, 2 from there, and step 1. Step 2, 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. So this one is easy. 2 over 3. So why I'm saying that? 2 over 6 over 2 equals 3. I told you I'm lost today. So next one. Do you remember for division? You are writing first one same. Second one, just swap. So 5 and 6 changing now, getting 6 over 5. And 3 full, and what I have, 12 over 15. Next step, you can simplify this. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So 3, 4 over 5. This is our final answer. Another way, to remember other question, it was similar one. So you can say 2 here, 2 times 2 making 4, 3, and 4 over 5. This is our question 10. So we have done for today. Good luck. Please study for all exams, all class tests. For maths, please have more practice. All right. So let's continue with another video. So good luck for all tests and class tests and exam. Thank you very much. See you next lesson.